This is the new CorrBox system from Baumerhhs. This is a glue and inspection system for your Flexo Folder Gluer. Today we're going to validate one of the strongest features of this system. We are going to reduce the amount of glue by about 50%. At the same time, we are going to increase the strength of the manufacturer's joint on this box. This is not just your typical skip pattern. This is a very customizable algorithm that is designed to maximize the strength of glue with the minimum amount of consumption. So once we set the parameters, we can lock these down and the operator can simply turn them on or off. Stay tuned at the end for some real results. Let's switch to the live inspection view. This works with no UV on any background, black, white, preprint, anything you want to throw under, even UV flood coat. The non-contact application never touches the board, doesn't pick up fiber, doesn't wear the tips, and runs twice as long between intervention by the operator compared to our previous gun technology. Now let's see some real-world results. What can this do to reduce your glue costs and increase your quality and performance?
Fiber tear on this glue. That held pretty good. Let's do this pretty deep bond. Try the next one. Same thing. I call that success. Okay. I'll try it the other way. Still ripping pretty hard. So that is the bond we're getting with 50% of the glue.